Hello students, how are you? Here Shilpi Sani from Suraj School Bhiwadi PGT English. Today we'll continue the same lesson, verbs expressing the present lesson 7. And this is the remaining part of the lesson. Okay class, present perfect continuous tense. Form of present perfect for affirmative or positive sentences we write subject has been, have been. Present participle form means ing form. Clear? Ing form. And then object. Clear? And then object. Now we'll see the example. The example is I have been reading. Clear? Here you can see have been, the helping verb of this tense. And reading, as you can see, present participle form, the ing form. Clear? And now the boy has been playing the role of a knight. Here also you can see has been, the helping verb, and V1 plus ing, the present participle form, ing form, that is. Okay, this is present perfect continuous affirmative. Now we have negative. Negative sentence. Okay, subject has, have not been. Pay attention here, has, have not been. Clear? And then present participle form plus ing. What is present participle form? That is ing form of verb. Clear? And then object. Clear? Now we'll see example. The example is here, I have not been reading. And then the second is, the boy has not been playing the role of a knight. Here you can see. The boy has not been playing the role of a knight. Here has not been. You can see not is placed between has been. Clear? And that is ing form. Playing is here what? Ing form. Clear? Now for interrogative. Interrogative, you can see in interrogative sentences, as you know that in interrogative sentences we always put helping verb in the very starting of the sentence. Okay, if it is not wh question word, then we can use helping verb like has, have here in this tense. Has, have, subject, been. Okay, has, have, subject, been, present participle form means ing form, and then object. Clear? And now we'll see the example like have I been reading? Okay class, have I been reading? Here you can see helping verb in the very starting of the sentence, then subject I, and then been, and then V1 plus ing, the present participle form. You can see ing form of the verb. Clear? And now the next example, has the boy been playing the role of a knight? Here you can see the same things. Has, okay, has here what? The helping verb in the very starting of the sentence shows that it is interrogative sentence. Has the boy been playing? Playing is what again? Playing is our ing form verb, the role of a knight. Clear? Now use of present perfect continuous tense. Now these are some uses of this. Pay attention here. The The present perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an action which is started in the past. Used to indicate an action which is started in past. Is in progress in the present and might continue in the future. Clear? And might continue in the future. Present perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an action. Used to indicate an action in the past, is in progress in the present, or might continue in the future. This is what? This is our present perfect continuous tense. क्लियर? काम आपका क्या है? स्टार्ट हुआ है आपका पास्ट में, प्रोग्रेस है प्रेजेंट में, और हो सकता है फ्यूचर में भी हमें देखने को मिले. एग्जाम्पल, she has been working with the Indian Airlines since 2009. She has been working with the Indian Airlines since 2009. काम कर रही है 2009 से और अभी भी कर रही है, हो सकता है फ्यूचर में भी करती रहे. The boys have been swimming for 2 hours. पीछे 2 घंटे से स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं और अभी तक कर रहे हैं और पता नहीं आगे कितनी देर तक करेंगे, we can't say. Generally time expression is used with this tense. Time expression use होता है it has been raining heavily since last night. Since आपका यहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है. क्लियर? दिनेश has been working on this project for 6 months. यहाँ पे you can see here for is used. That is what? That is used to show the time. Okay, that is used to show the time. You can say the expression of time. Since and for, these are two words that is the expression of time. Okay, and used in present perfect continuous tense. Here, difference between present perfect continuous and difference between present continuous and present perfect continuous tense. Now we'll see the difference. In the present continuous tense, we expresses an action going on at present but do not specify its duration. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में क्या होता है कि हम ऐसे एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं जो कि प्रेजेंट में चल रहा हो लेकिन ये स्पेसिफाई नहीं है. ठीक है ना, इसका जो ड्यूरेशन है वो स्पेसिफाई नहीं होता है. बट व्हेन वी वांट टू एक्सप्रेस द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ एन ऑनगोइंग एक्शन, ओके, वी यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. लेकिन जब हम किसी को वी वांट टू एक्सप्रेस द ड्यूरेशन, जब ड्यूरेशन शो कर रहे हैं उस एक्शन के लिए कि कब से कब तक काम चल रहा है, तब हम प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, गरिमा इज स्टडिंग. हियर गरिमा इज स्टडिंग, द टाइम इज नॉट मेंशन, बट गरिमा हैज बीन स्टडिंग फॉर 2 hours. यहाँ पर टाइम है कि पीछे 2 घंटे से वो पढ़ रही है. देन इट इज व्हाट? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस एंड इट इज व्हाट? प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस. क्लियर? ओके क्लास, now I think the lesson is completed now and it is clear to you all, and you will be given some exercise which you will have to do, and the answers are there also in the same PDF file. Okay class, if you have any kind of problem then you can contact to me. Clear? Okay, thank you. Have a nice